What's up, guys? AMR Vlogs here. I just woke up. Happy 4th of July to all of you guys. To all of you guys watching. So right now we're gonna go to the Muckleshoot. We're gonna go see if we can find some good deals to get some fireworks. So yeah, guys, I'll meet you guys over there. You know that if you have V8 these days, you got the gas station every 3 days, 2 days. We're here every 2 days. This bitch wasted so much gas, like, ouch, my pockets. But yeah, guys, we're filling her up and then we're gonna be on the way to the fireworks.
So we didn't go straight to the fireworks. We came to Dutch. Show me your drink. He got a Kokomo. I got a pineapple coconut Red Bull. You can never go wrong with Dutch, so that's why we stopped here. But we'll see you guys in a bit. Guys, so we're entering. Somebody put the window up. So like there's a lot of stands. Like it goes like from over there. Like people are already buying some fireworks. So that's where you pop up, guys. We just found parking and we're right here. I'm gonna show you guys his outfit. Show him your outfit.
We got the boots.
The
work
boots.
And the pants, the belt.
I think they're Levi's.
And,
Fuerza.
Fuerza Regida merch.
Turn around. Sheesh. Okay, show my outfit now. Okay, so I have some jeans, just the same hoodie as him but different. And then my chanclas.
So yeah. Alright, guys, let's go over there.
Entering the little thing.
Walkway.
The little walkway. I don't wanna. Not the cars beeping. That's how the vibration here is really loud, guys. Cause it's really loud, huh? Yeah. The L cameraman. This is our racer, guys. But we just parked it here. Okay, guys. We're gonna scam some people right now. There's a lot of stands going on, so we have to pick and choose which ones are we going to. But this does have to be really good fireworks. If not, then I don't know.
Boy, if you don't.
Well, guys, so we just got out of a stand. We got a pretty good deal. He didn't get really much because he already has some in his car and then he has some at home. But we'll go in the car right now and we'll show you guys what we got.
Guys, we're back. So this is what we got. Something light. So I got her a backpack. And we got some little cakes.
That one looks really cool and it's
Looks
pretty
really
heavy.
cool. Really colorful, I guess.
Yeah.
What I think, I don't know, but excited. And we got these.
So,
And then we got this. Alright, guys. And then we're going to show you what we got
in the trunk. What?
Guys, so I forgot to show you guys what I have. So I have these, the Tiger Force 16 shells. We got this one. They're new to me. I never used these, so I'm excited for those.
I guess.
And then we got the Diablo, and then we got the Skybreakers.
Yeah.
It's an 8-inch, pretty loud, so yeah. Alright guys, so we're gonna go show you guys how it goes down right here in the Muckleshoot Casino. Little shows. It's just random people popping. So yeah, we're gonna go down there and show you guys. We made it. You will be removed for following misuse of fireworks, misconduct towards security, respecting others, putting people in danger. So yeah, guys, careful. Only pop inside here on the fence. Pop wherever you want. Apúrale, no tengo todo el día, no mames. Se quedó dormido el compa. So yeah, guys, apenas está llegando la gente, so it's kind of... I love it. Yeah, guys, be careful. God damn, Chad. We just caught a epic fail. No mom is like, so yeah, look at this boom. God damn, guys. What the hell? What it fell? God damn. What it fell, guys. Wow, that's why you guys should be careful. We're back home, as you guys can see here. This is my setup for the year 2026. So that's my last year collection. I didn't pop them, so this is like last year fireworks. And then we got the new stuff. So we got these. These shoot in the air and they go like pass, boom. And then we got a little backpack for my girlfriend. And then we have this little cake, which I thought was really cool because of the colors. So yeah, really excited for that one. And then we have a lot of air fireworks. So we got this one, Tiger Force, 6-inch shells. And then we have the Perf Power. And then we have this one.
He's new to that one.
I'm new I never tried this fireworks, so I'm excited. This is the A Sky Breaker. It's 8-inch shells.
We did use a few.
We do use a few for the
Mexico game.
So yeah, go Mexico. And then
The Diablo
one. I haven't tried this, but I'm also excited.
Yeah.
So yeah, guys, we're also gonna be going with the friends to go celebrate 4th of July over there, his house. Just have a good time, and you know, he's gonna be really active. So
Stay tuned,
guys.
Bro, don't tell me my shit's fucking dead, bro. Get on my boss. I feel like shit couldn't keep me.
guys. So I'm gonna be lighting some stuff I got for my backpack. So I'm gonna be lighting the dancing butterfly first.
Bro.
It's a cute one.
Y el teléfono al piso era.
That's just gonna be so ass. Sorry.
That's how it is.
I didn't get him drunk, bro.
That's on fire.
She's gonna light her little bag fireworks. Alright, let's get it.
It's hella small.
It's a small one. Let's see what it does. Hey, that's not bad. That's not bad.
What is it later?
I wanted to light it so I don't know what
We got the boats over there.
Hola, tío.
Alright, I'm gonna record these guys are gonna pop, which is like 6 fireworks. No, Ale! Go! Big boom right here.